Now, shall we learn some more ER verbs? Practice is what makes it perfect. So let us continue. Let us take the word habiter. Habiter means to live. So, what is the conjugation for je? Yes, we would remove E and R and replace it with E. However, do you remember the H mute that I taught you? Yes, habiter, though it begins with H, it is pronounced habiter. The H is silent. Therefore, this would be j'habite. The E would be replaced with an apostrophe. Next, for the word tu, what would it be? H-A-B-I-T-E-S. Habite. Tu habite. Next, for il. Can you tell me what is the conjugation for il? Yes. We would remove ER and replace it with E. For L, we would remove ER and replace it with E again. Next, for nu. What would be the conjugation for nu? We would remove E and R and replace it with ONS. Nous habitons. I repeat, nous habitons. For vous, what would be the conjugation for vous? We would remove E and R and replace it with EZ. H-A-B-I-T-E-Z. Vous habitez. For il. Do you remember the conjugation for il? H-A-B-I-T-E-N-T. Ils habitants. Elle also is the same. Elle habitant. So, when you translate this in English, what would it mean? I live. You live. He lives. She lives. We live. You live. They live. They live. So, do you understand the conjugation of the word habiter? Let us move on to the next verb, which is aimer, which means to like or to love. Okay, so now we notice that this word begins with a vowel. So for je conjugation, we will have a vowel clash. So we would replace this with an apostrophe. Now it is an ER verb. So what would be the conjugation for je? We would remove ER and replace it with E. J'aime. For tu, we would remove ER and replace it with ES. For il, we would remove ER and replace it with E. For L, we would remove E and R and replace it with E. Next, for nu. What would we do for nu? We would remove E and R and replace it with ONS. AIMONS. For vous, we would remove the letters ER and replace it with EZ. For il, we would replace ER with ENT. For L, we would replace ER with ENT. So, When we translate this in English, what would we get? I love gym. I love. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. So, this is the conjugation for the verb aimer, which means to love. You can try to form small sentences using the subject pronouns that we learned, followed by the verbs and the nouns along with the articles, either definite or indefinite. Shall we move on to the next type of verbs?